No! I don't want to be wrong! It's the other one! I told you, dude.
There's no way I'm gonna be able to do this myself. I need someone.
I told you it was the
Babe, I need your help.
I'm playing Gears.
Oh, just for a minute while I get this screwed on. Huh?
Alright.
It's impossible to do this by yourself. It is.
Grill P would be very good at making a
What
screen.
about, like, streaming? I just said I'm gonna go stream Gears now.
Alright, I need you to hold this like this. Perfectly straight.
Oof.
Next question, Nev. Go.
What team did Shaquille O'Neal play for in 2002? Miami
Who the
Heat?
fuck is Shaquille O'Neal?
Fuck, dude. He was at Miami Heat in 2002,
The football?
right?
Basketball? What?
Fuck, it was the Lakers. When did he go to the Heat?
Went to the,
I don't watch American
went to the Heat
football.
after the Lakers.
Yeah, I know
You
that.
should've
But he
asked
said in
Drew.
2002.
Come on, man.
Damn, Trauma said he did it by himself because he's a man.
Oh, okay.
Motherfucker was
Sorry,
balancing
Roddy.
that shit with his chin.
Why? What's wrong with Rowdy?
I'm aft.
Next question.
Why? Because I have. This is
Ow.
2 hours on this piece of shit.
She says this.
So
piece of
we
shit.
determined if the radiator's going on the
This
top or
piece
inside.
of shit. She says $2,000 worth of PC, and she says this piece of shit, Drew.
Yep.
I think I'd rather just pay $500 for someone to put.
She'd be a good hand model, Drew. You know, like holding stuff. Who's Roddy? That name
She's a
rings
good
bell.
model. You're a good model, babe.
Huh?
You're a good model.
What are you talking about?
You're just sitting there holding it, all cute looking.
Alright.
Good job, babe.
Next question, Nev. Go.
Thanks. I'm getting killed in spawn, I'm sure. Sure, I'll go back and I'll be
Next.
0-4 and really, really not happy. Not happy.
Nev.
Dude, we're out. Push. I'm turning my phone off.
You just ripped
No
ass.
more, please.
Oh, we're done, dude. Slippery
Am I done?
ass, bro.
Hold on.
Like this.
I didn't do anything.
Good job.
Listen, it's
Thanks,
gone.
You
I
look
got-
very adorable. Hold on.
Alright.
Did you really?
Guys,
no,
hold
no.
on, no. You look gorgeous.
No, I'm good, thank you.
You're so pretty.
Why aren't we playing no more?
Yup, AFK, dying at spawn. Thanks, babe!
Sorry.
Dying!
Alright.
Dying at spawn! Hi. You made me hold something from the computer and guess I was done.
Oh, don't fucking tell me this.
No, kill this bitch. Bullshit. Stop, Ronnie!
Fucking seriously, dude? The fucking... No way, dude.
What the fuck? I have 1 shot of vodka to my name.
Oh, God. The cord is stuck underneath the fucking
Just
fan.
kidding.
I have the worst luck ever, dude.
No.
I can't hear you. You went into the fucking Starbucks.
Sorry, if you feel like you erased this message in error, please never try again.
What?
You just said,
Babe, I'm gonna need you to come here
I don't know what
again.
you just said.
Playing a game.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna win.
No, play games. Read the next question. Ew. Don't do that, because I'll get mad.
Can I win
No.
my game
Read the
first?
next question.
Dude, my phone's off, it
Literally
died.
helping him
Turn it back on.
for 5 hours.
It's dead.
I've lost my.
Oh, never mind. I'm good.
As soon as I sit down.
I found my Xbox 360 controller though. I don't need
I'm
that.
Gucci, I think.
No,
I'm good, babe.
Next. Question.
There's
What
no
are
more
you
questions.
saying,
We're out of
babe?
questions.
There
I'm
has to-
good.
Just
Good
read
night.
it.
Yep.
Just read it. You got this, Drew.
Thanks, man.
2 thumbs up, buddy.
Oh, my back hurts.
Dude, when you get this PC up and running, you're gonna get. I swear to God, I literally, I swear to you, you're gonna get a hard on.
It'll be all worth it.
It's not normal.
No, I'm being honest right now. You will legit get a hard on.
I've been building this for 5
I'm not
hours.
joking. Yeah, I'm not joking right now. You will get a hard on. like
Dude,
the
that's
real
not
deal.
normal. Okay, we get it, dude.
When you build it and you load up your first game and you see all them FPS,
Hold on, let me
you will
finish it.
get
Let me
a
finish it.
full
Let me finish.
blown
Let me finish.
stick.
Ha, done.
Yo, Tattoo, what up, man? What's up, Mitch? What's up, Goal? How you guys doing? Yo, thanks to the new subs who came in to help me out as well. You guys are fucking awesome. I appreciate you. Thanks for not feeding into the trollage.
Not gonna lie, Nerve, I got kind of excited when I finished building my PC.
Dude, I'm gonna run around my house naked when this
I did.
shit's done. Serious?
You know what I'm saying?
That shit's a wrap, dude.
Can't say that when Pete's around.
Oh yeah, make it a raging boner. Poke my eye out.
Yeah,
for
but
the-
Pete would like that.
Dude, Pete's not gonna come around. We're just gonna keep you saying.
Dude, when you've
Oh,
been
so
AFK
fun.
this entire time, Pete has been gay.
Like I really think that when he goes AFK, he just like jerks it to my voice.
Whoa.
Alrighty! Let me, record
I'm
that
just
one.
kidding. I fucking love Pete, dude.
Pete is your
Oh!
pet. Can't deny it.
No, Pete is like one of my best
Pet
friends.
Pete. Yeah, Pete's.
No, he's
like
not.
little-
He's not a
little
pet. He's my
poodle.
friend.
He's like a little poodle.
He's my. You just
poodle. He's a little chihuahua.
you just compare him to a poodle, dude.
He's a chihuahua, dude. Pete's a chihuahua.
What the fuck, dude? You can't just say that. He's your friend, dude.
Thomas, like, I don't think Drew realizes how much wiring/cable management he has left.
Oh, I know. Trust me. But I'm taking it. I'm taking it one step at a time, M9.
Dude, it literally took me more than 9 hours to build my entire PC. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm gonna
So,
I
be
literally
longer
watched
than
the
you,
video
Slippery.
Step by step.
it
Yes.
took Drew 8 hours just to figure out where to screw the fucking radiator in it.
I sat there for so long just watching videos and videos and videos and how people wire like cable manage and then how it took me forever.
not like this.
Let's just put it like that.
So much not like thising.
I watched so many fucking videos. It's not even funny. I'm so glad I didn't stream it because people would be so pissed. I'm glad I didn't do that.
Who cares, dude?
Wait, did I
You
take the
couldn't
stream off slow mode?
Hopefully.
Couldn't even fucking stream it anyways.
At
because,
chat
like,
is stream.
No, I don't think subs are affected by slow mode anyways.
No.
I don't think so.
Should I
That's
take
a
it off,
fucking
off sub mode to see what's wagwaning? Hold on.
I killed you.
Take it off sub mode?
Funny.
Yeah, I'm curious.
Wait, who wants to say something?
Okay. No, nobody wants. I just want to see what's
What everyone's saying?
happening. Yeah. What is it? /subscriber off?
I think, yeah.
yeah, that makes everyone unsub.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Pleb speak.
And you can't kill him. He's like a god or something.
Freedom! Freedom!
Drops.
The
Drew, will
very
it be
first
Windows
question
10?
the very first question of a non-sub, just right the
Will it be Windows 10, Drew?
Um,
Say yes. Yes.
I think so, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Windows 10. There we go.
Is it gonna be? It better be good, dude. I'm gonna cry if it's
You
bad.
don't have Windows 10 on your other PC?
No, I have Windows 7, dude. You
You
don't
need Windows 10. Windows 10's good. It actually is good. That's the thing.
Okay, as long as it's nothing like Windows 8, I'll be fine.
No, it's nothing like Windows 8. You can bring up the Windows 8 thing if you want, like the little tablet view thing.
Yep.
Windows 10 is good. I like Windows 10.
What's up, Sashi?
Dude, you're typing
What's up,
while you're
Biscotti?
still doing the radiator thing like you haven't been watching for the past 20, maybe 30 minutes of sub mode. Dude, you're a fan.
Oh, I didn't mean to ban them. I just meant to time them out. Oh,
Ban's fine.
Ah, well.
Ban's fine. Ban's fine. Windows 8 was
If we
good.
donate $3,000, will your girlfriend build a better PC on stream?
Yeah, dude,
Windows
for
10.
sure, man. I promise that
Windows
won't
8.
go 90 degrees in my pocket.
Dude, Windows 8 was terrible. I agree. Windows 8 was awful.
It was like me and Pete, somebody who all day we were on computers together, could not figure out how to get to the
Stop.
No, we could not get to Windows. We couldn't figure out how to get to the Windows on a fucking Windows 8.
You hit the
PC.
Windows key.
Yeah, but we didn't know that. We were looking for the little button, and there was no button. There was no button to be found. Okay, well, stream. We seem to have done it. Not sure how well, but I think we.
Yo, I agree. Windows Shell was actually good. I agree.
Windows what?
But it wasn't necessary though. Windows Shell with Windows 8 with Windows 8.1, and then you could download Windows Shell, which allowed you to
Holy
use it like
fuck,
Windows 7.
Drew.
What's up, dude?
Hold on, I have to see.
We got all the parts.
What do you have to see, homie?
What is Ultimate Edition on today? It's alright. It's not great. It's okay.
Did you just find his penis and now he's fascinated?
You have nothing else.
No, I'm reading the forum board. This guy and his friends are a bunch of buffoons. It makes me sad seeing so much expensive hardware being misused and mishandled by people who don't know better. And worse, the people who don't want to learn how to do it. Meanwhile, that thermal paste isn't getting any wetter, just sitting there waiting for the radiator to get mounted.
I just like the.
Oh boy.
Alright, I'm gonna put like a drop of thermal paste on the.
It's interesting to see how frustration results in lashing out at the chat, especially the British guy who basically calls everyone age for some reason.
They're AIDS, dude.
Alright. What, just a little drop of thermal paste, that's it?
A tad, the smallest tad, just like a drip, like a teardrop. You don't need much at all.
Alright. It doesn't matter that this thermal paste is different than the kind that's on the thing, right?
No.
Okay. Alright, put a little bit of thermal paste on, and then,
About time he's done something that's recommended.
who said that?
All I was doing was reading the chat.
Has the chat calmed down a little bit? You guys chilling
I'm
out?
just sitting back playing games while
Kind of
listening to, that one guy screaming at everyone calling them AIDS.
Oh, I got him down.
Ugh.
Not up A.
Alright, what do I screw on the top of these?
Getting up.
Screws.
I shot over his head. I wasn't even close.
Wait, she just said she's out of whiskey. They look 14.
They look
Well,
14. I'm
I-
25, man.
enough.
So I appreciate that you call me, like that you say I look 14 though, because that's good. That means that, like,
Right, Drew.
what?
Make a decent X on your thingy.
I just put a little dot in a line, dude.
Yeah, there you go. Do that.
That's fine. It already has thermal paste, so I don't want it to overheat.
Yeah. It's fine. We did. Like it's just like a normal X. Just put an X.
I
But what
literally
you
just
did
put
is
a little
fine.
dot.
Fine, yeah.
All they're saying is she touched the paste. She put her
Yeah,
hand
Drew.
on
Eat,
thermal
She
eat
did.
the paste. Eat the paste, Drew.
Is it bad for you?
No, it's good for you. It gives you all the nutritionistness that you need.
Yep, sounds pretty legit.
Don't make an X. Don't do the X, Drew.
So that's what someone said.
Babe!
Yeah,
I
someone
literally.
said don't
Okay,
do-
guys, I literally just put a little, like, drop, like the size of a hand.
Yeah. I'm wrong, dude. Don't do the X.
Okay. What, baby? What's up?
Hi,
Clean-
you have to scrape
clean
the old
the-
paste off. Did you do that?
Yeah, somebody's saying
What are you
clean
doing?
the old paste.
Really?
That's what somebody's saying.
Why?
Clean the old paste.
Why?
Oh,
Why?
no.
Yeah.
Because
You
it's
gotta
old.
scrape the old paste
Kill
off,
all
babe.
old
What?
people.
Wait, was it because it?
Because we
No.
touched it, and something about the oils in your skin
What?
fuck it all up. You gotta scrape it.
Get rid of the old
I would take it off and
stuff.
scrape it and clean everything.
Is it? You use alcohol, rubbing alcohol, right?
No.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't think we have any right
No, you use rubbing.
Liquid anything.
No, you use rubbing alcohol in the processor,
No.
don't you?
Yeah, maybe, but just don't rub
Stream.
anything. No liquid, no water.
Rubbing alcohol, no, just like dabbed it with a cotton ball.
No, what you need is some salt and some water, and get a bucket, a gallon, and then pour it over the entire PC.
Put paste all over your girlfriend. That sounds kinky.
Wait, what?
Trauma, look at trauma.
The end?
No, don't listen to what they're saying.
Put in the PSU, motherboard, RAM.
They don't mix the old and dry. Does it really matter?
liquid cooling.
No, just don't. Just literally get a bucket of water and put some salt in it and just pour it over the PC. The entire thing. That'll get rid of the thermal paste.
I don't think I need to do anything different. The old.
It's fine. Leave it. It's fine.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Legit, it's fine.
I literally barely put any paste on.
Look, I'm gonna put it back in sub mode because it was more constructive in sub mode.
I promise I don't know anything about wood.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yo, Trauma, does it matter that we touch the paste a little bit?
Paste is fine.
Something about the oils in your skin. It's the oils in your skin.
No, fuck these skin oils. It's got nothing to do with your skin. It's fine, Drew. It's fine. Just put a little dab.
I did.
Thingy majig on the
Okay.
CPU and then stick the fucking thing on the thing. It's fine.
Okay. So is it good, guys?
That's terrible tasting. Actually, tastes good.
I feel like
Oh yeah, I didn't listen to
I'm
Trauma. God damn it.
obsolete right now.
Don't you have front spawn?
Sorry, Trauma. I didn't listen, bud.
Dude, they are giving like play-by-plays. They're like, his girlfriend's now streaming Gears. Like,
I'll just take
that's all I
I'd
put.
like to do some high
Why is Group
Grill
GP
Paul. Yeah, she's streaming.
streaming?
Yeah, you guys
I
can
need
go
to send it
go
to
say hi to
Sarah.
her, guys.
Yeah.
Someone said the camera's too far away. On the fucking forum post, not in your chat.
Okay. I'll move it.
Said what?
The fact that that person wasn't a complete dick. Yeah, I'm gonna listen to that guy. It's fine.
Wait, what
It's a
happened?
different guy.
I know. That's what I'm saying. I'll move the camera closer.
Wait, what happened?
Well, somebody just asked for the camera to be closer. That's all.
Move it closer.
That's what I'm doing.
Feet kicks.
Someone just pointed Kev on the forum post. Rubbing alcohol.
No, well, not rubbing alcohol. What's the
No, it's my favorite.
No,
What?
I didn't mean rubbing alcohol. There's some other type of alcohol that you use.
Alright, thank
Don't rub vodka on the CPU.
No, that's not. Jesus.
Dude, whiskey does the job.
Whiskey? I was thinking a bit more of absinthe. You know, that's more pure. Some absinthe would be some. Just get a bottle of
What is it
absinthe,
called,
fucking
guys? It's called
pour it on
something.
it. Ethanol.
It's a vine of drink.
New thermal paste over old thermal paste, yay. And now they're realizing the mistake, and his buddy is now insisting that it's okay, he'll be fine.
Ethanol, Drew. That's what you're talking about.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Not rubbing alcohol.
Oh my god, I just need
Ethanol is alcohol. Ethanol's like 99% alcohol.
Yeah, but not-
100% or whatever fuck percent.
Is it really that bad to have old paste over new paste?
It makes no difference. It's fine.
Hold on, can you look it up, nerd, on
Dude.
Google?
Is he not turning? Wait, is he not cleaning it off? I have to be right back because I need to go. Hold on. Babe. Baby,
What?
did you clean it off?
No.
Alright, they said it's gonna overheat your computer if you don't scrape it off.
Okay. But I don't think they know how much new paste I put on. I literally put like a little drip, like nothing.
Exactly, that's how much you're supposed to put a normal amount with no paste.
Okay. Just clean it off. What do I clean it off with?
I don't know. What do you clean it off with?
Alright,
People
it
are
says
saying,
yes.
people are
Hold on.
saying,
said
use
scrape it off.
90% rubbing of
It
alcohol
says-
with a
it
Q-tip.
says- Dude, I will
So I
research
was
the
right?
reviews, alright, but it says yes, clean the old stuff, clean the old stuff off the chip in the heat sink, and then reapply. Yes, the reason is that when you remove the heat sink, the seal between the chip and heat sink is broken, and it was previously made by the
dry
thermal paste.
tissue work, you don't need rubbing alcohol.
I feel like there's way too much overthinking on this one.
And then
I don't think I'm supposed to use a Kleenex, babe.
to dry tissue.
No.
It's gonna leave residue?
Get
what
a
do you want?
Q-tip.
Q-tip.
You want a Q-tip?
They're saying Q-tip, yeah.
Okay.
Q-tip.
Just give me a couple of them, okay?
Alright.
Thank you.
I really think this is overkill, but okay.
Alright, you can use Arctic Silver Cleaner, I don't know what that is, but I just wiped it with a
Alcohol.
paper.
Okay.
That's somebody just
Yeah, it probably would have overheated. It was like too much on there.
It wouldn't have overheated.
You don't think
but,
so?
You know. No.
I'll show you guys.
I really.
That right
I
there.
feel like this is overkill as fuck.
It's fine.
I feel like this is some next level fucking OCD.
Like, is that
shit.
not? Hold on, guys. Is that too much Is that too much thermal paste?
No, grain
Thermal
size is
paste
fine, like the size of a piece of rice, babe. Teeny tiny piece. Here.
Is that too much?
This is too much.
That's too much?
No, this is too much. What we're doing right now, you're stopping your entire build because you want to rub alcohol on your CPU.
Here,
That's
just
fine.
hold the extra in case you need them.
So what do you use to clean it?
Just rub it off.
Nothing. Just don't clean it. There's no need.
Dude, I don't know. I would clean
It's
it.
not gonna
It's so
over
funny
heat
that everyone's
because
making
it's
fun of me,
old
yet you guys don't know any more than I do.
No, if you rub all literally the fucking the cooler that I had on it, I plugged it in and I put extra fucking thermal paste on it. Nothing bad happened, and it's fine.
Tonight's the night.
So, okay, so he said, just...
I can't.
So,
physically.
Eternal said, just put some rubbing alcohol
Being a troll.
on the tip of the Q-tip and wipe it off. But some retard went to the forum and then said rubbing alcohol in caps. Like a dumbass,
There is
even
no
though
need-
that's right.
No, but there's no
Oh,
need for
promise
there's
it's
no
coffee.
need.
There's so many retards out there.
He doesn't drink coffee.
But
I'm gonna have to go get them. I'm down.
It's Drew,
Hey,
listen.
coffee
Are you
filter.
listening? Drew, are you listening? Drew,
what?
listen.
What?
Okay,
It's fine.
What should he use?
There's
You do not need to rub any liquid
They
on
said
your
Q-tip will
CPU.
mess
It's
it up,
fine.
girl.
what?
Back. I'll be back, Roddy.
Oh my! So many people are telling me different shit.
Well, Trauma says coffee filter. Does he want to help or not?
I don't know.
Why
Yeah,
did you
I'm
ask
watching
him?
a video
'Cause he
right
seems
now
kinda
with a
offended
coffee
that you never asked
A
him.
coffee filter?
And rubbing alcohol and I don't know. I'm watching the video. They have a coffee filter, they have rubbing alcohol, and they have a Q-tip.
Yeah, but I'm the dumbass for
Hold
saying
on.
rubbing alcohol.
You don't need to do this.
They said the reason why you use rubbing alcohol is because it evaporates really quickly.
Holy fucking shit.
This is completely unnecessary. This is for perfectionists.
Slippery, but the thing is it's not going to have a good, like, sink to the fucking thing if it's already got thermal paste on it. You don't want
Literally,
thermal
I
paste on it.
I had I had
No,
thermal paste on my
this
old
game is
on my
stupid.
build, and I rubbed new thermal paste on it. It's fine.
Giving it back.
It's fine, and I've had it for like over a year now. There's no problems. This is completely unnecessary. This is literally some computer nerd fucking elitist perfection shit. Don't need it.
Oh, I fucked up.
So I have a coffee filter, so I should just rub it off then? Like,
Go nuts.
I don't know, dude. You don't use any rubbing alcohol at all, or you do?
To drink because I can't.
Ice per sofa alcohol? What the fuck is that? I don't know what that dude just said.
Ethanol.
There's barely any thermal paste on there, dude.
I don't know, dude. I'm not.
Should I
telling
just
you,
wipe
dude.
it off?
You can watch a video, bro.
Dude.
I'm not telling you because I don't want you to do something and not take the wrong fuck. I have no idea.
Is he cleaning it at least? I gave him Q-tips and I gave him a coffee.
No, everyone's telling me it's fine, babe.
Alright, Roddy, we're 5 rounds in, you have 1,200 points. Can you fucking step the fuck back? It's not that serious. You realize you will not get any ESL this way, right?
And if the seal doesn't cover the whole CPU, it will fuck things up too. Well, dude,
I need some.
the thing that we had like didn't cover the whole thing either. It was just a circle.
No, fuck
I don't think it's supposed
They
to
are-
cover. I don't think it has to cover the whole thing.
You have to set up on me and let me miss my shot.
They said the British guy must be the devil. The British guy literally had zero idea what he's talking about when it comes to thermal paste. Why is he
Dude, the
here?
thermal. Literally, I've done nothing to my. The old thermal paste broke on my one, and I literally applied new thermal paste, and that's it. And I've had my PC for over a year. Oh, over a year, and it's fine. So, whatever the fuck you're saying is bullshit.
It's fine. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Literally over a year, and I've had my PC, and it's fine.
So do I just do it like? Do I just do it dry, or do I have to use? It's rubbing alcohol, right? Nerf, you said just. A
Hey,
little.
no, it's a different.
Roddy doesn't need
It's
Emily, but he needs a
Get
fucking
ethanol.
jumpsuit right now.
this shit.
God damn.
What's it called?
This is what.
He's like,
There, I'll put it in TeamSpeak.
Well, I can't
It
look at
says
TeamSpeak.
at least 90%.
Ethanol.
That's not how you spell that. Like, Eyes up coffee or some shit. I don't fucking know.
Like,
ISO alcohol, Fox said. I don't think we have any of that, do we? Just wipe it off with dry paper.
I shot! Where did my bullets go? Nowhere. Nowhere's land.
Drew, remember these people that are talking in normal chat are literally
Is he rubbing alcohol or anything
fucking
that's not
perfectionists.
conductive
You understand that, right?
Yeah.
They have to get their shit 100% smooth.
Someone called you Total Biscuit, bro. They're like, fuck that Total Biscuit guy.
I can't, like... To be honest,
Dude, somebody said
Barry,
listen
you know
to
that
ethanol. Ethanol is 96% alcohol. That's the purest shit you can get. It's fine. Like, that's fucking retarded. The fact that you're scraping that off right now is annoying me.
It's fine, dude. I'm the one that's reapplying it, so it'll be alright.
Only to find out later on that it was already on it. So I need to go. Call. I need to talk to them. Babe,
What's up?
did you take the thermal paste off?
I'm taking it off,
The
babe.
coffee filter? Because
Yeah.
I looked it up online and it says you can use any non-conductive material. Coffee filter is fine. You say it's going to fry if you don't take it off. Why won't Trauma come help?
Oh, it's fine, babe.
Okay.
Okay, so I got it off of that thing. Now, how do I gotta get it off the processor now.
Just use the coffee filter. You want another one?
Yes, please.
Did you eat anything yet?
Good, Drew. No,
Why
wash
don't
out.
you take like a 5-minute break and jump out? I'll show you. It's probably going to take you another 3 or 4 hours to finish the thing. Took Sleeper 9 hours. Took 4 for my computer. My computer doesn't have all that shit in it.
Trauma said don't put pressure on the CPU, zero pressure. You hear, Drew?
I want drama.
Drew.
But drama is trolling.
Oh my god. Drew.
Thermal paste apparently stops everything from burning. I don't know. I don't do computers, not the insides.
Hello.
It's so wobbly.
Drew, are you listening? Righty.
I don't like the fact that this guy's a level 80 re-up. That's a little unsettling. Oh, well, it's actually streaming beers. It's weird.
Alright, so it's like off. It still has like a, it still looks like it's got like a,
Nice.
circle
Yeah.
around it, but that's alright,
Good
right?
job, mate.
Hello?
Oh, dude.
It's still, like, you can see... Yo, stream, you can still see the circle from the old paste. Is that okay?
Oh my. Fuck you.
It'll be fine? Okay. Alright, so let's
Should've run that.
reapply this. Alright, so just a little tiny dot.
Someone put Twitch does rocket science.
Should not have run that. Shouldn't have happened.
Whatever's left, Grace. If
You're an idiot.
I mean, we have to go there. We have to go.
Alright, how small is the dot?
I'm drinking remnants. Jesus.
I don't know if the CPU is okay. What are you talking about, dude? It's fine. It has... I wiped the thermal paste off.
There was no need for the alcohol.
I didn't put alcohol on it.
The size
I
of
just
one
rubbed it
big
off.
bean!
Wait, was you rub it off with?
Just
Active,
the dry...
Stop.
Use it?
Yeah.
No. You put
The size of a
you put
pea?
nice size piece. Where's Glass Man? But he put it over top of the old thermal
A small
paste.
amount, Drew. Like, just put like a little like, X in the middle. It's fine.
Of the
Dude,
bean.
you're labeled as the evil British guy.
Dude, I don't care what the fuck these idiots are saying. Like, they're literally morons from Newegg that
Is that good,
are
guys?
perfectionists.
Or does it need to be more?
Holy fuck! Oh, my feelings. That was bad.
Like, it's kind of small, but...
My feelings.
What she said.
A little bit more,
A
Drew.
little bit more?
Well, hold on. It's not finished doing what you're squirting.
I'm so tired of you.
Arctic Silver 5, that's what this is, man.
A little bit.
Arctic
a little
Silver
bit more.
5. Perfect. Okay. A lot of them are trying to help. Some of them are just being mean, but...
No, the entire fucking stream is AIDS.
I wouldn't say that, dude.
A little bit more.
Three.
A little bit more. Dude, like
look how
legit, they're being
British.
idiots, dude.
No,
They're
they're
being
just
idiots.
attacking you. And you're getting,
Probably not.
I've been doing
Butter.
nothing but helping this entire stream, and they're being idiots. I don't like it. It's making me cry, bro. Holy shit. Fuck you. Entire chat, suck a dick. A little bit more.
No, it's fine. More people said it was fine than less.
That's the way to determine.
Dude, what the fuck is the point of me being here?
Entertainment.
Like, legit. Like, Drew's gonna take Twitch chat over me. Like,
What are you
please.
talking about?
I'm telling you, you need a little bit more on that thing, and you're like, nope.
Wait, hold on,
Newegg
wait,
knows
look.
best.
Look at drama. Fuck that dumb Brit cunt.
Wow.
Not even your friends like you, bro.
Oh
Dude,
yeah,
like,
it does need a
legit,
little bit more.
the
You're right.
tiniest amount more
You're right.
would have been fine.
You're right,
but
you're right,
you
you're right.
know,
No, you're right.
Twitch chat, dude.
You're right.
Well, here's what had happened.
It
He
like
asked
barely
me
covered
to
anything.
I said, okay. He handed the big thing to me, and I said, can I hold this, or can I touch this?
Alright, dude. Don't worry about it.
So he put it in my hand, and I was
Slippery
like,
no
"Smear
shit."
my finger on my own face." And then there's like, a bunch of these in the chat, because I had thermal paste all over my thumb. And then he did like the same thing. And then yelled at me for touching
Dude,
it.
I wouldn't wait though. I'd put that shit on
Keep
quick.
talking shit, chat. I will ban every last one of you fuckers.
So
I'm on the banning spree. Here we go.
Yo, dude,
Talk
yo.
shit, you're banned. Period. Let's go. Let's go. Challenge me, faggots. Let's do this.
Whoa.
Yo,
Fucking
Drew,
Leroy.
it spreads with heat. Drew, it spreads with heat.
I know.
Trauma said.
To the smallest amount. Don't put too much.
No, I didn't.
Alright, and then, yeah. Let's do this. Like playing CS, dude. I'm gonna Twitch you
Oh my
right now.
god,
Let's do
Drew.
this.
You put like a fucking turd on this motherfucker, bro. That's a lot.
I did?
Oh, wait.
It looked like
Is
a
it
lot.
too much?
It looks like.
Hold on, look.
Dude, you put half the goddamn bottle on it. What the fuck?
Oh
do
no,
you
that,
mean?
that's
Perfect.
fine. It won't.
Perfect.
It's red. It's red. Okay, whatever.
It's a lot. I'm not gonna lie.
That is a lot, really?
It's your investment.
It's-
not
it's-
mine.
It's
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 over.
way smaller than the
No, it's cool. Go.
Push
do
it down, Drew, and then lift
that-
off the lift it.
I did.
How much does it spread?
Oh my god. Chat
Does it
is
spread a lot?
No.
No.
I don't know, dude, but the more you wait, the more you're gonna have
Yeah,
to
that's
remove it in
fine,
30
dude.
minutes.
Don't panic.
Dude, it looked like a lot there for a second. I don't
Yeah,
fucking know.
it looks
Just
like a
do it.
fat blob, but
Just
it's
do,
fine.
do
He
what
pushed
you're
it.
doing.
It's fine.
Just don't waste your time.
Fine.
Go.
You're telling me to not waste my time? I'm 9 hours in.
No, dude, like, you're gonna have to remove. I'm talking about the purple face, bro.
It's fine. The thermal paste is fine. You
And I said
fucking
this from the
moron.
beginning. I told him it was a bad idea, and I didn't want to be part
Dude,
of it.
people think that the thermal, if you put like the smallest amount more,
Dude,
that's it.
everyone's saying
Ring.
it's fine, and some people are saying it's gonna explode. I'm gonna go with
Like, a lot of people really get into that stuff.
Explosion.
Alright, let me just say this.
Fine.
Twitch chat did not help this project.
So,
Dude, the thermal paste is fine, dude. That's literally probably a little bit more than the amount I put, but it's fine.
9 hours? Nah, but like pretty much 5.5.
I'm saying 9 hours. It is not gonna
I've never built anything in my life, so you gotta remember that.
Dude, the thermal paste you just put down is fine.
Yeah. Yeah. We're good.
like 4:30.
We're good. Drew, are you tightening them down, or are you doing like a little by little?
Just little by little.
Remember, you got.
I'm doing them diagonally, like Trauma said.
You have 814 people watching you right now.
Yeah, no pressure.
They
Dude, are you gonna be able to get your fucking RAM on that side where the liquid cooling is?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should be able to.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
Oh,
you dropped a screw.
There
Your
isn't
motherboard's
enough,
fried.
Christian.
But like,
What the fuck did you say?
sent a link this.
Are you banning people?
Dude, I'm banning everyone.
Dude,
Talk
don't
shit to me,
ban
I'll go.
everyone!
Talk shit to me, I'll ban you all.
So? Dude, I've
I
been.
want to see one.
They've literally been
break.
talking shit to me all day, Slippery.
I don't give a fuck. Voice.
So far
I would just want to see the word Brit and anything.
Bullshit.
We're gone. Because, you know, I have the power, yo.
Yeah, it took Slippery 9 hours to build the computer. You said that from the
Ban
beginning.
you all.
Her Poison's talking shit too.
I don't give a fuck, I'll ban her.
I don't know anything about building a computer. I don't want to give you something. You know why? Liability. Man, if something goes wrong, it's my fault. No, not that. Not putting that shit on me. I'll never do that to that.
Alright.
Dude, and Trauma, I'd ban you if I could.
Oh, you
Just for saying that, I
Are you
would.
guys so
Fuck
quiet?
yeah.
What the fuck?
British dumb fuck, yeah, see? See? Listen.
Get him, guys! Get him!
Oh, look, Panda.
Yeah,
Panda
get
on
me,
your
I'll
side.
ban you. Subs included. Try me.
Whisper, he bans you.
This man.
Alright, what do I
I'm joking,
what do I do
by the
now?
way. Like, literally, it's... I swear to God, it's a joke. Don't worry.
What do I gotta
Talk
do
as
now?
much shit as you want. Well, wait, what'd you do?
Fuck it, just plug it up. Let's see what happens.
Fire her up!
You've plugged everything in, right?
No, I see
Yeah,
fucking
a video
boards just
card.
laying there.
Go nuts, dude. Video card. Plug
No,
in.
dude, you gotta plug in all your
Do
fans
it.
and shit.
Okay.
That's true. Yeah, that's true.
So where does this go?
Motherfucker,
The
I'm
wires
talking
go into the
shit.
motherboard. Plug in the fans into the motherboard. There should be slots. It literally tells you where to plug.
Roddy! Fuck!
Like, I'm not
You're
even
just
kidding
a
right
big fucking sack of shit!
Whoa.
Yeah, Slippery, you're a sack of shit.
Roddy, please.
Okay, so this says Cha fan? CHA fan?
The Brit guy says literally a lot. Like, literally.
Stay on
Yeah, I
one
do say
side.
that. I've noticed that a lot myself. I'm
You
not
say
gonna lie.
literally a
Sorry.
lot, Slippery. How dare you?
I see that a lot.
Alright, so it says fan. What's CHA fan?
Sweaty, like, go take a shower.
That's a fan. Plug it in and then the fan.
It says this on this. It says LHE.
What?
This is the part I fucked up, by the way. When I plugged all the things in wrong and I pressed the button, nothing would happen. It's because I had the power in the wrong thing.
Alright, let's see what chat
This is-
says. CPU
Good luck.
fan?
This should be fun.
You need to install RAM. Don't turn it on. Oh no, we're just kidding, dude. I know we still gotta put the RAM in.
Do you want? Wait, I can. Wait, you don't have the RAM in?
No, I took it out to put it in. Should I put that back in now?
Yes.
Okay.
British
Damn,
guy
dude.
becomes ultimate Bond villain.
Wait, you don't have the ramen?
No,
yet?
I took it out because I forgot to put.
Okay, what? Oh my, I hate you.
Forgot, dude.
British guy
You're really
is
mean.
beautiful. You have no fucking point. The British guy is an asshat. Dude, I love these comments, dude.
I hate you.
Dude, they make me upset from crying deep inside. Drew, I can link you to a website where you can install RAM if you want. It's called downloadmoreram.com.
Why? Why do I get 2 shot down from sandbags?
Summer's
Alright, Ronnie, guess what?
tweeted,
I'm gonna go to
pinged,
the pillar.
whatever the fuck that thing. This song
What?
though.
I'm just gonna go to whatever we're doing right now is not working, so I'm gonna go to
Yes, that song is so ancient, but it's great.
No.
Drew,
Alright, I need the cable management.
Drew,
What?
are you able to listen to songs while you do it?
One
Because,
shot?
you know, people find it more interesting.
I can't turn.
I know you can.
Can't turn the song actually on.
Can you do that?
Can't.
This is such shit, dude. How do people do
No,
that?
this is saying can or can't.
Can't.
How?
Because I'm not at my computer.
Oh, I shouldn't make
Is your PC on?
Right.
Yeah.
You know what?
Can you click a link?
Debatable.
It'll take you like 5 seconds.
Okay. So all the RAMs in.
It's into. Wait, do you go downloadmoreram.com?
Hose is gonna hit fan. That's what I thought, dude. But it looks like it's. It looks close, but I think it's okay. Yeah, it's not touching it.
Yeah, that's not gonna hit it.
Yeah. It's fucking pretty close though, but it's not going to.
Yeah, the people.
Are you talking about the tubes? Are you talking about the tubes hitting the fan?
Mm-hmm.
No, the fans.
Yeah.
Hitting
The tube hitting the fan. It won't. It won't. It's close, but
the tube hitting the fan.
yeah.
Wait, which fan?
The
one
back
on the
fan.
left side?
There's a fan in the back. I can actually move these.
Wait,
Yeah, that's gonna be fine.
Okay, so
The cooler is not touching. The
Dude,
cooler.
Newegg people are dumb.
Dude, they're not from.
dude, they're not Newegg. Where do you get that from?
I don't know. What's the link?
No, they weren't, dude. That wasn't Newegg.
You guys.
What was it?
Website you buy shit from.
NeoGaf. Sorry.
Newegg.
Idiots.
Dude, they have been making fun of you for the last hour. They're like, this motherfucker's so stupid, he thinks we're from Newegg.
Yeah.
The fucking evil British guy.
NeoGaf idiots. Yeah. Yeah. Insulted bitch. Fuck you. Fucking Newegg.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
Let me put it like this. Newegg sucks.
If I
Okay,
had
suck a
more
dick.
liquor, I wouldn't remember today at all. Which is
That's
what
why I thought of it.
to not remember this bullshit.
But no, Drew. Good job, dude. You're doing well. Thumbs ups.
Thanks, man. Yo, you know the prongs for the fans
That one.
that come out on the motherboard? The prongs.
In oven. Preheat to 350.
The fans?
Yeah,
What
no,
fans?
the prongs that come out of
The
the
case fans?
fans. One of them's bent.
Oh.
One of the little prongs. Oh, I fixed it.
Someone said Newegg.
Alright, I'm just here real quick, because I'm thoroughly entertained right now.
Thoroughly.
Slippery, you're an idiot.
Why, for saying Newegg?
Drew, when you're doing the wiring thing, make sure you're looking at your motherboard manual. You have to look at that.
Did I say Newegg?
Okay?
Okay, wait, the motherboard manual for what?
For when you're doing like the wiring for like the CPU fans and shit.
What to plug
CPU
into
fan
where?
should be like the top right.
Okay, yeah, it is.
But you're gonna need the motherboard manual for like all the other wires and stuff.
Alright, thanks, dude.
Yeah.
What did I say, Triangle?
Slippery, you're an idiot.
Why? I hate you. I hate you.
Oh, that's so great.
This makes me sad, dude. I'm sad right
I don't
now.
know why when it's up annual
Fucking
Dude, Drew, I
Bible
just wanna-
thumping all over this bitch.
What?
analog stick to available.
What nerd?
You know, away from conference.
Oh, by the way, guys, if you're enjoying the stream, be sure to hit that follow button. I swear I'm not stupid when it comes to PCs every day, just today. But
That's a lie.
I'm gonna be doing like a bunch of PC gaming on this if you guys are interested in that.
Wait,
He
stop.
knows how to click buttons.
I do. I'm good at clicking buttons, okay?
There we go.
Alright, where's my... Oh, God.
Wait, why did Trauma call me an idiot? What did I do? What did I say?
You were calling the people in the chat from Newegg.
Dude,
I seen
you
Newegg.
are- alright,
I seen it
listen.
somewhere.
Talk it out, Ronnie.
Listen, alright, you are a dumbass for the simple fact that it took you like 3 minutes to process that he called you a dumbass. Okay?
I don't know what I did though. Like, what did I do to be called a dumbass? Like, please. I said something, but then it yeah.
Is this a 48-hour build?
Always want to take it slow.
Okay, so 4-pin CPU fan.
I can't wait until they have to pitch the wires for the fucking the GPU and the power supply. That's gonna be fucking great. Drew, you remember all the cables that you got with your PC with your power supply?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to plug all those in.
No, no. Yeah. Yes.
Someone put on
All of
forum-
them.
Someone put on. Listen, when Trauma joined, someone was like, "Who was that voice of reason just now?"
That was Trauma. That guy's a fucking asshole, dude. He joins and just ruins everything.
Voice of reason.
You want to go stand by?
I don't know
If
about
this
reason,
thing-
but
if-
asshole, yes.
If this thing runs, it's truly a testament that anyone can build their own PC.
Who said that? Someone on the forum?
Forum, dude. Dude, I love this forum. Do you have you almost have hold on. You're really close, dude. You're almost at 1,000 posts on this forum.
Are you fucking
No
serious?
fucking
Are people
way.
that obsessed?
Dude, you have 997 posts. God, that British guy. Very much obsessed with fucking Slippery.
Wait, they love me?
They're like, this fucking idiot's telling him to download more RAM.
Wow.
Dude, there is a website where you can download some more RAM, bro.
Alright, you hit 1,000 posts.
There's no fucking way he actually did that. Wait, the people are saying the fucking thermal paste.
Thermal paste is fine.
She touched the paste.
She touched the paste.
I was waiting for the thermal paste, but fuck, I wasn't disappointed.
I don't know which
Dude,
way
you
this goes in. Yeah,
Dude, the fucking thermal paste. Super lame people. What's next? Racism?
No. Do you know what happened? He literally stumbled around the corner and one
Wait,
shot
I don't
down
get
me
it.
after I back eight.
Neither do I.
Which way do these go in, dude? I don't get it. They're not clipping in either way. I don't want to break
it's
anything.
the requirement of being called a...
Bullshit.
Dude,
Oh my
read your manual.
Dude, this is fucking brutal. Bye-bye crap.
People are hating on you more than me, Slippery.
Dude, I don't care. I love it. Let them hate.
You like the
Fuck 'em.
attention
I know they love me.
We don't even have a smoke detector.
Stream, do the parts,
Tell me
does
what
the
you
side
want,
with the metal, like this? See this?
Considering if you knew.
Does this part go...
Okay, so we have like.
Oh,
one-
Drew,
In
by the way,
towards the motherboard?
one guy said the camera's too far away.
What?
One dude in this entire fucking...
Oh yeah, I know, I
camera's
fixed
too
it.
far away.
Permanently blown, like
Oh, you
50
did?
Yeah, it's way closer now.
So all the sockets on the right side downstairs of the house don't work. So we literally
His
have,
girlfriend
like,
is coming in and telling him to clean it off, laughing my ass off. He's like, what the... Like, what?
And then we have
Rubbing
power
alcohol
surges plugged
in
into
all
extension
caps.
cords. We have, like, 3 of those
Why I
into
said.
one extension.
Just saying.
It's like it's a
Just saying.
fire waiting to happen.
That was right, you dick.
It's just
It was
terrible.
retarded. There was no need, but okay.
'Cause, I don't know.
Time to rub off the thermal paste.
Someone
Like
said
I said,
he's going to-
laughing my ass off.
I'm pretty sure now.
Someone said
No
he's
need,
going to look
again.
into the camera at the end and be like, "Yeah, I built 12 PCs."
He
before."
just used a cotton ball.
Well, like it's just trolling. Like I'm trolling.
Yeah.
What did you just
And then he's
do
like,
there?
"Thanks for the paid subscription."
Bullshit.
It only goes one way, you can't put it in the wrong way.
Bounced away and shot like over your head. That was bullshit.
Right, that's what I'm
Wait, some
saying.
guy said, English guy is saying it's
Honestly, honestly,
constructed to...
hold on. Honestly, me this British guy is a fucking idiot. Trauma is actually giving sound advice, and the British guy is shutting him down, calling him an idiot. Honestly, what the fuck?
Wait, I'm shutting down. Trauma's not even in TeamSpeak.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm loving it.
Trauma said like 2 words.
Everyone's putting hashtag Newegg represent. Oh, fuck it. Hey, dude, this is fucking great for me. I'm having more fun reading the forum.
Dude, I'm loving it as well. The British guy might be the devil.
You
Yes.
are fucking evil.
Yeah.
You're gay.
Yeah, they're not going in.
Literally,
Trauma said, I was, you fuck.
I love it. This is
Fuck
great.
the British.
Fuck the British. How dare you? So rude. Dude, this is great.
There they go.
I have never had so much fun in my life, dude.
Look at this chat, dude.
Hashtag British devil. Please do it.
Dude, I'm doing it. I'm doing
So many
it.
angry nerds. It's great.
I was just afraid to push in, but so no. Jam.
That's the thing, dude. Every time
Seriously, Total Biscuit or whatever his name is needs to go away.
Total biscuit.
Dude, that's what they call him, dude. Alright, I'm not referring
I
to
love
this
it,
anymore.
dude.
From now
This
on.
is great.
Dude,
This is
straight out of
fucking...
Newegg, boys. Dude, from now on, I'm devil.
Oh my... What the fuck was that? Please don't tell me that was the entire box. Please, 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 please.
What the fuck?
Babe, are you
That
okay?
was that,
Yeah.
was that the
I heard
table?
noises. Did you break your computer yet?
No, the webcam fell. Yeah.
Okay,
Yet.
so you're doing okay?
She said yes.
Trying.
Alright. Are you ever gonna do
Wait,
this
what the
again?
hell?
Yeah.
Nope.
I would know what I was doing the second time.
Nope, I'm out.
Dude, this is awesome. I have an entire fucking
fuck
thread of
that.
NeoGaf
I know, I
about
heard-
British
I
devil.
was like,
Or the devil.
what happened?
Oh, this is a 3-prong. Where does this go?
Hey, 10, haven't seen you in a while.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, that camera must be made out of like fucking. What is
Love,
it,
have you
made out of?
have you read page 18?
Dude, I'm on page like 30. What the
Dude,
fuck?
it's all
I'm
about
on
me.
page 21.
It's all about me,
I-
dude. All the angry virgins on the
Just
internet, like, oh my god, this British guy totally doesn't know what the fuck he's doing with it.
Oh my god, why are you
Oh my God,
fucking
no.
lying?
Like, all the virgins are going off like this British guy, like alcohol, like, oh my god, like, seriously? Like, legit.
He probably really was.
This is the first time anyone's ever noticed you.
This is amazing. Like, all these
Yo,
fucking
stream.
virgins.
CPU fan header is at the top right corner of the motherboard. There are 2 4-pin headers immediately next to each other. Yep, I have those 2 plugged in. These 2.
The guy said, that was so much paste. Who's the British guy? Seriously, he needs to chill out. All he needs to do is wipe it off. But a small amount, dab on it, and then the British guy's giving bad advice. Like, please, the British guy's probably 50C. On
I don't
idle and
think
cleaning.
Where does the 3-pin go?
Before.
I
Dude,
can't find
I
where
have
the
a
3
massive grin
pins
on my
goes.
face right now, dude. These fucking virgins.
There's a lot of people in the chat trying to help me though.
No, don't get me wrong, there is, but I'm talking about the NeoGaf people. They're morons.
Stream. You have to refer to the manual for jumpers. Is that what this is? This is plugged into my my graphics card, like the thing on top of my graphics card, the cooler. So where would the water cooler go?
When can we expect this computer to be done? Q1
Get 2016. I was just reading that, dude.
No! Fuck you!
Literally,
No!
just now I was reading it. It was great.
Bullshit!
Is it down here?
God,
It was by a guy called
Like,
Resident,
down, people
right?
bend bullets like this is some
Oh,
fucking
There's a picture of
This is
Zelda.
Yeah.
Yeah,
wait,
I was just
yeah.
reading that as you were reading that Zelda. great, dude.
Go down and look at the picture, dude. He's like, I found who the British guy is.
Which one? The devil with the
The
chainsaw.
plug is near the CPU slot.
No, Drew.
What?
Drew.
You have to look at this. Hold on.
What?
Hold on.
What is it? Is it a screenshot?
Yeah, I'm sending a screenshot.
Oh
Hold on,
my
dude.
fucking god.
Look at
What?
it! He's like, why would you want a pro team? You're clearly the best shot.
Is it at the bottom, guys?
Yeah.
It's in TeamSpeak, dude. Click it, please.
Reddit.com/livestreamfails.
I don't get it.
Alright.
Oh, that is great.
Let me see.
Best.
Dude, I love these people. I love you guys.
What is that?
It's me, dude. That's me. That's what they think me of.
Yo,
That's
you
what
know
I
had it. All this, I was
Close to
am.
the
That's me,
CPU.
dude.
Yo, Eternal, you can join TeamSpeak if you want, man, if you have TeamSpeak.
I'll be right back.
Yo, Nerf, can you do me a favor and invite Internal to the TeamSpeak? I see a three-prong thing right
Internal
here.
gamer?
Yeah,
Yeah.
please.
I didn't know he was coming around the corner. Just melee.
Yeah, I have the two fans plugged up in the top right. And then it's like, is it all the way at the bottom? At the bottom of the computer? All these Newegg versions. Don't worry, guys. We gave Slippery the name Super Salty Slippery for a reason.
Dude, I almost fucking put the TeamSpeak. In
Mate,
the
tell me
fucking
you got your
chat,
hands
bro.
wet before handling electronics. You have to make sure the parts don't stick to your hand. Don't make a rookie mistake. Got it, man. Should I also should just pop the CPU right into the
Right into the trash can.
okay, right into the trash can. All right, I'm looking at the.
Yo, Internal, I sent you a fucking Internal Gamer 115 or 1, right?
What's it called, guys?
I sent you a message.
What is this called? Like the cooling thing? Does it have like a specific name?
Hey, Drew.
What up, dog?
Oh my. What? No.
Yeah, but
My-
I didn't think I was like
face.
I didn't think I was there yet.
Mike, way too close to face, dude. Oh my god.
Kool-Aid. Oh, it's called the Kool-Aid. All right, heat sink.
Dude, just spray the entire
While I'm in
fucking.
here, if you guys get banned by the Nazi Slippery, just whisper me, and I got you.
No, I'll ban you again, you fuck. Oh, listen
No,
to that
lay
fucker.
down.
If I ban
Lay
you, I
down.
remember your name.
Lay down. Get on the bed. Go.
Please move the tubes. The tubes
No.
are fine, man.
Ban you all.
Tubes are fine, homie.
No.
Fuck you, John.
I can't find where it says the heat sink, dude.
What is the server?
So let me get this
again?
right. What have you been doing
What
for the last
server?
10 minutes? Because I've been reading the
TS
forums.
server?
Have you just been plugging shit where you think it fits?
No, two of the things in the top right-hand corner of the motherboard said fans, so I just plugged it in.
Oh my god, bro.
What?
Your manual. Dude. Oh.
Oh, I'm looking at it, dude. Fuck yourself.
Carlos gonna. He's probably pissing himself.
Hey, dude, I'm trying my best, man.
Wait, I'm sorry. Fuck that.
What?
Dude. Oh my god. Hold on, I have to take another guys. This shit is fucking.
Move camera over motherboard. Alright.
Click that, Slippery.
Clicking. Clicked.
Is it that right there underneath the Asus thing? There's like 3-prong.
Yo, someone on the forum says if you are reading this, someone tell Drew that he can
I'm
remove the hard drive base
homophobic.
to make. Shut up, dude.
Hey, babe.
Since
Someone said
when?
you can remove the hard drive base to make cable
going, babe?
management easier.
Babe?
Drew, some guy said, Great stream, not watching again. Pros, watching somebody who can't build a PC. Cons, watching a guy who can't build a PC. Others, what British guy is homophobic?
Babe?
Since when was I homophobic?
Yes, baby.
All you gotta do is pull out your chair far enough that your fucking legs don't hit the desk every time.
I have never been homophobic.
So you got the liquid cooling in? And the
Nah,
cords
babe.
aren't touching the fan, right?